making an ice cream. And what we're going to be needing is tape, crayon, glue stick, scissors, 2 sheets of paper, and let's get started. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be grabbing a paper, as you can see. And if you want to do the ice cream with whatever color you want, you can do that. But I'm just going to do the cone first, because that's what people start with, right? Just like that. And then you're going to cut that line out. And that's what my cone looks like. And then you're going to draw some like triangles, like you know how they have it. So I'm going to draw those lines. You can do whatever you want, and I don't know how to do it, so I just do it like that. And then you're going to grab your other piece of shape. And then put the piece that you cut out on the side. And then you're going to do the same thing, but an ice cream instead of a cone. If you want to do a double one, that's okay. You can do a double one, whatever you want. So I just did like a double one. You can do whatever you want, like a tennis, whatever. So I'm just going to cut these 2 out. This is like little tiny ice cream. Hey guys, I did my ice cream. Now that you have everything you need, you're going to grab your glue and you're going to glue those things together. So first of all, we're going to start on the back. And look how cool this is. It's a cool glue. And I'm going to glue those 2 things on. Wait, hold on you guys. Let me do something. You got to do it on the front. I just but it's okay. You can always fix it. This ice cream looks good. Look how delicious that looks, and it's ice cream. And our hand is super cute. So after this craft, you're gonna wash your hands. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna draw a face if you want. You don't need to do anything, but I'm just gonna draw a face, and you can do the eyes however you want. But I'm just gonna do them. Just like simple, just like one little dot and like a circle. And then you're gonna put it like a smiley. And then you're gonna put some hands. And that's what mine looks like. And now we're gonna draw a crown if you want to. If it doesn't glue that well, you can just put some tape like you want it to tape. So that's what you're going to do, because it won't tape that. If the glue, just put some tape, so that will help it to glue even more. So just put that tape on there. So it can work even more to make it really strong, so it will not fall off, okay guys? Don't do it too big or else it won't fit on your ice cream. And if the tape is covering the mouth, that's just okay. You can go over it. There we go. Now you always remember coronavirus, so you put a mask on. And that's the coronavirus mask. Now we're going to cut a crown like I said. And right there is what my crown looks like. I don't think you can see it, but then you're going to cut it out. There's a crown. I can't find the crown, you guys. Oh, it's right here. And then you're done. That's what my ice cream looks like. Bye! Hope you like this video. If you like the ice cream, give this a big thumbs up. Hope you like the video. Bye.